Okay, this is the game, we call it an icebreaker game. It is really simple. You are on the way to go to church, and you do not have a t-shirt to wear to go to church. So, you're looking for a t-shirt, you find one. But your little brother has thrown them in the water and freeze them. Your job is to do an icebreaker. I'm going to give each of you a t-shirt. Your job has to break this t-shirt, open them up, and to be able to try to open it all the way up. Okay, whoever the first team that will be able to unfold, since it's really cold outside, I'm not going to have you put it on, but just unfold the t-shirt all the way open, okay?
Look at the enthusiasm on their face.
All right.
Wow.
Now listen, be careful with the floor. And I say go, you go, okay? It's an effort team. This is what you can do. You can take it to the bathroom to rinse them off a little bit, take some of the ice out, do whatever you gotta do.
No, we're going to do that. That's under hot water, man. Let's see. Then you don't have a big mess.
Okay, but you gotta do it. Okay, on your mark.
Everybody's got to participate on the team.
Everybody gotta participate. Try your best. Help everybody you can. On your mark, get set, go.
Crap out of keep on you. Right there. Right there. There's a bathroom right there. No, there's a women's right there.
That says women's.
No, it don't.
That's all right. That's all right. Anyway, you got
They see what they're doing.
It won't bend.
Okay,
right.
oh, we're checking this one out. I didn't want to go in the women's yet.
Alright, let's go for
Is it warm? I got some here. Is it
There's
warm?
no hot water.
It makes me nervous too.
Alright. Oh my God. Yes, do not hit Scooter's face.
He said he doesn't care, but he just
You're gonna rip it. What's it?
Careful, Robert.
this could take a while.
Okay, man.
Catherine, have you done anything yet?
It's coming up. Come on, man.
Uh-oh.
Oh.
Uh-oh.
Where's the rest of them? Where's Brianna?
She's getting
Alright, we got Robert. We got
Hurry, Brianna!
I hope you're not planning on wearing this again.
You don't have to put it on.
Here, pull
Oh, yeah, really.
Pull it. Oh, man. Oh.
We gotta go check out the other progress.
Where's Brianna?
She went upstairs.
No, she didn't.
Upstairs. Hey, come on down here. Put it on frozen breakfast.
Oh no. Better hurry up, one of them's already almost got it all done. Uh-huh.
Is it the black shirt?
Yep. There's hot water over there.
I know, but why are we trying? Oh, here. This is a big thing. pick the coin. There you go.
That gets really hot. Alright, gotta go downstairs. Well, I'm still checking them. Who put it on? I gotta see it.
Scooter put it on, but we take it off. And
You want me to put it on again? Yeah, we gotta put it on again.
Yeah, that's it.
Taking a picture of it.
Oh, I've been filming the whole thing.
What's that hammer? The black one. What's that red hammer? Anybody know?
I think we have
I think Brianna. It's a hammer too? Yeah. I think Ryan has it. No, baby. Hey, is she gonna be on YouTube?
I don't know.
Yep. It's all the cameras on YouTube.
Alright, it's on.
Alright.
The winner!
Alright.
Yeah, it's still going.
That's right. Oh, I didn't know it was a video.
Oh yeah, we're videoing.